Great news! The Maudifi channel has reached its first YouTube subscriber milestone. It's only 100, but for me it feels like a great step in my journey to bring more affordable, high-end audio to a wider audience. Thank you to all of you who have subscribed and liked my videos so far. I'm still learning my YouTube craft, but thanks for sticking with me. It really is appreciated and helps me to know that others are interested in my approach. Of course, for anyone new to the Maudifi channel, feel free to have a look around at my other videos, and I hope you find something interesting there. If you subscribe, don't forget to click the notification bell and you'll be informed whenever I post new content. Now, a funny thing happened before I went on holiday. I was off on holiday last week. I'd updated the Maudifi website, and at the same time I tweeted a link to my video on upgrading the Cambridge Audio 540p or 551p phono stages. To my surprise, later that morning, Cambridge Audio themselves tweeted a reply saying, "Let's bring it up. Very cool, nice work." Wow, thanks for the compliment. So I replied to that, thanks, glad you liked it. Of course, there was a good basis to start from. And then they replied, of course, wink, but it's really interesting to see your approach. Do tag us in future vids so we can have a look. Well, thanks, I'll do that. They also kindly retweeted that with the tag there, for all the tinkerers out there. Well, I'll take that. My fellow tinkerers and I know how much more performance can be released from most hi-fi equipment. I'll let you into a little secret. I think most decent manufacturers know too. Shh. You know, I think this is a healthy and grown-up approach Cambridge have taken here. They didn't need to reply or retweet a link to my video, but as I think I said in that video, they're smart. They know what they're doing. They must do to have been around for over 50 years. They know this works to their interest, as it does for me and Maudifi. Every time I upgrade or modify a piece of kit, the feedback I get is that it's transformative. Whether that is opening up the soundstage, releasing more detail, more clarity, or whatever. I hear it myself, but it's great to have others comment that they too appreciate the greater musicality and that they're enjoying the music so much more. That's what it's all about. Okay, so other news. I mentioned an update to the website. Some feedback was added, a couple of tweaks here and there, but the main thing was adding some upgrade services and some new DIY kits for the Cambridge Audio phono stages. There will be a link in the description down below if you're interested in either of those. There are other kits in the pipeline, and they'll be added as soon as I get the time to finalise bills of materials and write the upgrade manuals. Meanwhile, feel free to drop me a line if you're curious if your equipment can be modified. So that's the latest Maudifi news. There are more videos to come too. There'll be a brief comparison of the Chord Hugo 2 against the mildly modded Musical Fidelity Tri-Vista 21. Then the next part of the Tri-Vista 21 upgrade series. I also have an interesting interconnect cable build for those that crave transparency without it costing a fortune. I need to do a few more listening tests on that first, but it's sounding good. Of course, if you subscribe and click the notification bell down there, you'll be informed whenever I post new videos here. Thanks for watching. Take care. You'll see me next time.